Here's the update. I'm working on the trailer. I'm rearranging my layout. I'm gonna make a platform in here. I'm moving more wood than I'm going to. I'm trying to just get rid of all the wood I can, and then just replace it with probably aluminum. I just felt like the wood overall is just creating moisture and mold. So with aluminum, if I'm wrong or if I'm right, but aluminum with the water, if it does leak in, at least it doesn't mold like the wood. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. But anyways, I'm not actually gonna post little videos here and there. This is a slideshow video. But here's my layout that I'm gonna do at the moment. So I don't know if you can see it. So this is my layout. I'm going to do 2 slide outs, which are going to be underneath the mattress bed, and this is the mattress, the platform, and this is going to be like a foot of space of just to put your shoes and whatnot. And so these slide outs, one's going to be kitchen side for the outside. This, and then the other side is going to be kind of a toilet. We'll see how that goes. It's something new and different. Some people will be like, ew, it's gross, but this is a camping off-road trailer. These little slide outs right here are going to be right here and there. So those are not slide outs, excuse me. These are going to be little storage containers, so you can reach them from inside or outside. So these doors are going to go, they're going to probably be approximately about at least 7 inches coming out, coming into the trailer, and tops 10. I haven't decided exactly, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with 7. I thought less than that would be not a lot of storage space, and I think 7 is the right amount number. So that's going to be a unique thing. So you can store like your spices and stove pots, whatever, and then this side is going to be my dressing room / bathroom. So that's the whole new system, the whole new layout. So looking behind me today, I took out some wood. It was just basically frames like right here along this front part, and then the wood inside this door entry, like in the frame part. So I'm just gonna, I really don't think, honestly, they didn't really need this wood framing right here and here. I thought that was a little too much. I think because they had some shelvings and everything. So this is like, all this metal right here is the main structure. So I'm not really concerned. I'm not going to take these out, or any of these. These are all pretty good. It's just that front part. So that's the update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna make a video on YouTube when just throughout the process is what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful day.